everyone, and welcome to my 3D presentation of the integumentary system. As we all know, the integumentary system is made out of three layers of skin: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. Let's start with the thinnest layer, the epidermis. Like what I said, the epidermis is the thinnest layer of skin, constantly replacing old skin cells with new ones. Another important part of the skin is a protein called keratin. It holds the skin cells together for protection. Now let's move on to the topic of skin coloration. Skin color is a product of cells called melanocytes. Melanocytes produce pigment called melanin. Fun fact: the more melanin you have, the darker your skin is. But the less melanin you have, the paler and lighter your skin is. Now let's move on to the thickest part of the skin, the dermis. The dermis is the middle part of the skin, which contains blood vessels, sebaceous glands, sweat glands, and hair follicles. It also has a lot of nerve endings and sensory receptors all over the skin. That's why our skin is sensitive to pressure, pain, and temperature. The sebaceous glands are glands that release toxic chemicals from our body. They release dirt, germs, and old skin cells that the skin shed. Sweat glands act like sebaceous glands, releasing sweat, dirt, and germs. Now let's move on to the last part of the skin, the hypodermis. The hypodermis is also known as the subcutaneous layer. This layer is filled with fat tissue. Fat tissues like this of the skin function as heat insulators. They conserve body heat. Thank you all for watching my 3D presentation of the integumentary system.